So Assalamu Alaikum guys, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, as you know thumbnail, we are going to make 3D effects, like how to make extrude effect in of Photoshop CS6. So this is the version I have using CS6 of Photoshop. Then don't waste more time anymore. I think this is really cool effect to your text as you be using in your editing and whatever you use. So don't waste more time and let's start. So guys, first of all I am making a new window of working like this. I am choosing to thumbnail, so that's it. And first of all we are making a gradient color here to give him a 3D and enhanced look. I am going to create a yellow one background, so you can choose anyone what you want to. So I am going to, that's it, and giving the radial and the scale up to the 250. So that's it. So I have made this, and now it's time to make a text effect. So I am showing you the two way to make your extrude effect in Adobe Photoshop, everyone. And maybe this will be work, the first method will not, maybe this effect will not properly work in your previous versions of Photoshop. So make it. So I'm taking an effect like I am still effect extrude effect. So that's it. It will be capital R1. So that's it, and then it will be all capital words in this. Drag it on that and enter it. So again, so this is not looking so great or cool, so I am going to change the text. That's it. So this is looking so cool effect. So our text is looking now more, so now our text is looking so great to make an extrude effect on that. So click on OK, and then I will be making two types of extrude effect. Like this is the first is the simple one, and then I am dragging it on to that one. Okay, so click on this there, center of our Photoshop. So this is our effect layer, and then Control G, that's the copy one, and then drag it on below layer of our main text. So go to the effects, overlay, and place it where you want to do this. I am going to do this blue color, light blue color, and then select it, and then move it one frame back and then one frame below. And as you can see, there is our this effect has been placed like this. Oh, really nice. And then I'm going to make some copies of this. So again. So that's it, and this will be very little bit, and then I'm going to group it all and then group it. Change the name to extrude blue. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so this is our this is looks really great effect in our Photoshop, but this is not still looking so cool. So make it cool right now. So I hope you have understand how to make this effect right now, and this is very simple method to make. You can use it any of Photoshop to make this effect. Okay, so let's move on. And then I am going to Control J to copy this layer, and then below it on. And then now I want to make I'm going to copy of this layer style and then place it on another one copy. So color overlay and some darker color. Okay, so that's it, which makes a look cool effect to our Photoshop. So Control J again, and that's it. This is look like a shadow of our, this is too much I have given, and that's it. So this is like a shadow effect to our, this is a shadow effect of our text. So let's move on again, and then this is cool, and then this is shadow. Remember, I'm giving the name so I can remember these layers to be accurate one, and then work more on that. So click on the first layer, so we have this one. So click on that, and then now it's time to give him a perfect one like this. And as you can see, this is looking so cool and great right now at the moment, because there is another one which is missing in this effect. This was is the lightning effect of this effect. Like text we have placed it like extrude effect. So first of all I am clicking and selecting that layer which is the original text layer, and going to the effects and then click on the inner shadow. So that's it. And as you can see, this is looking so cool, and this is too much giving the shadow, but I am going to decrease, and then that's it. So multiply कीजिएगा, and I am placing screen effect on that, and then 5, now I'm going to multiply, and that's it, solve, and then multiply. Okay, so that is multiplying effect. And remember that one, your angular momentum is same as you giving the extrude effect backward. So as you can see, there is our lightning coming from theirs and place it all these corners. Okay, so our extrude effect going back to like this shadow. So click on that. Okay, and here is our extrude effect is ready to be used in your videos, text effects, and another, but where you want to be used this. So let's move to the next second one. So I am going to this and group it all. Going to select again text tool, and again selecting a text tool and place it all. And now I want to begin the, so this is my name. As you know, my name is Danish Ali, and I am making this like 3D effect. So okay it, and then control and go to this effect. This is called extrude warp effect, warp text. Okay, so there is a style, and click on anyone you want to be. Like I want right now this arch minimum. There's some little bit effect I want to do it. Now it's time to make it some bigger, and that's it. So this effect will really affect your background imaginary looking great. So work on it, enter, and I will now I'm making this in the orange color. So that is the orange color I have selected, and then now it's time to make this effect right now like below. And now it's time to make this effect extrude like which we have designed before this ones, and it's really easy to make. Start it and then control J. So same method we are using color overlay and giving into this one's color. Okay, so that's it, and then extrude extrude below, and that's it. We are making this effect right this. Okay, so the lightning come from this, and this will be this there. So that's it, and then I'm using the short key of duplicate layers like control J, and then as you can see it is duplicating my layers. So work faster I want to be. So as you can see I have created 15 layers to giving him a really looking cool effect of extrude. So let's move on. These layers will be grouped as extrude. So before continuing this video, I want to tell you, if you are new our viewer of our channel, then please, there is a button below in this video to scroll down and click on that, which is in the red in color, which is called subscribe button. So click on that and then turn into the color in gray, and then also click on the bell icon to don't miss my single video of Photoshop and other softwares you learn want to be as a graphic designer. So now we are back on our work. Another one to make a shadow, control J, and then place it above this group effect. So I am going to again color effect. So now it's time I am giving him like shadow, this is the darker one of that, but I have some copy layer, style it, and then deleted layer, and then control J below them, and then that's it. Paste layer as I want to be. So control J, duplicate this layer, and then paste. As you can see, now it's time to move. Okay, so what happened, I have selected the wrong one, and then control J, and then control J, and then control J, and then control J. Oh my god, what happened there? It would be the layer convert, so I no need of that. These are my I no need. So group it again. So this is too much efficiency we have not been used there right now. So just 3 effects has enough to me. So that's it, and going to the last one and this one, and then copy of this placed on this one's effects right now. And as you can see, our extrude effect is ready to be used in our videos, but there is still one thing we have made mistake. Then go to the shadow effect again, and we are going to change some in our shadow effect. So go to the first blend mode, and then click on the screen and go to the white mode, and as you can see, this looks really great effect. So that's it, and I hope you have enjoyed our video and understood how to make an extrude effect in your Adobe Photoshop of CS6 and any other versions. So hey guys, and I hope you have enjoyed my video as well as you want to be. and I hope you have understand how to make this cool effect in your Adobe Photoshop, and you can use it in your pictures, effects, and videos like I am using this. Don't waste more time, and then so thank you so much for watching my video, and then we will meet in the next video about Photoshop coursing. Thank you so much, and bye.